Alright, since niggas was talking crazy, saying, you feel me, thinking I couldn't hit nothing with this, I'm finna show y'all. Super duper scope, you feel me?
What's up, OG, triple OG, OG, triple, triple, OG?
Yeah. We just gonna run that out of here. Feel me? It don't need to be too far. Super duper scope, nigga. You ready? Like that, man. It's not one of them. It's all body right here. Fuck you up. That was kind of cool. Feel me? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what the fuck this little nigga doing. I hit that bitch. Feel me? You want to shoot? What the fuck that mean? So it is going to the right, but I'm aiming mid. Going to the right, but I'm still here.
Same round as in the other one.
everybody locked in, and basically decide through a raffle. Yeah, so we gonna decide who win this MCK. So if that's your username, you can DM my personal Instagram, MOB_sale. DM me proof of the YouTube account and that you're 21 and older, and yeah, it's yours. All right, cut it off. We pulling the super duper scope back up. All right, y'all. So that was it. We done, man. We out of here. This bitch do look so crazy, though. Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna lead this just like this.
Light a cake, funnel cake. What is this? Vertebrae, diamond lens, cardiac, pocket fat, overweight, cannabis, meditate, overseas, out of state, a lot of speed, no brakes, and a lawyer fee. Eat a case, been poppin' shit that it clear through. Panoramic, my bitch got a glass roof. We pull up with them sticks like that bamboo. Yeah, I put my mans on what your mans do. By that low, we hit it in Cancun. Let your hoe get the nudge at cashew. No mechanic, but I got a lot of proof. When you come from that too, you know how to move. I do shit that these niggas can't do. Hit a spider, hit it in pants too. I got Versace